Alright, I have a stylish living tip. Always have a pretty ink pen, a fancy ink pen. It could be one of the expensive ones by one of the top designers. I think those pens be like you got Cross, you got is it Mont Blanc? I don't remember the names. And it's other names like the Swarovski ones with the diamonds. Or you could get this diamond scepter pen. They sell them on Amazon and other websites like that. They sell them on eBay. It comes with like a velvet slip. They make nice gifts. I bought them and gave them out one time. Look at it. It's so cute. And then it has like a drawstring so you can tighten it. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, I don't want the strings to come out. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't want the strings to come out. Let me see. Well, anyway. And it goes in there. And you can keep it in your purse. It keeps it from getting scratched. This is the diamond one. I like to use the plain gold one. I have the gold. I have the rose gold. If you buy them in a set, they come in different colors. But I like using this one right now because the pattern play is fun, like up against leopard and stuff like that. It's actually fun with my calendar and things that I'm working on. You can carry a little notebook. That's another stylish living tip too, because you can make little notes, put it in your purse. You could jot things down, which is something that I've been doing lately. So I made this kind of like a journal. I put little hearts and kisses stickers on it, and I put the word love on it. I didn't label the journal yet. I mean the notebook yet. I carry a Sharpie marker all the time for some reason. I guess it's an artist thing. So I'm gonna write something probably like in graffiti font on there, but I don't know what to put on there yet. And I buy post-it notes in like all different colors. I love to have post-it notes. I'm not really carrying them in my purse right now, but post-it notes right now. Let me take this back out. And the ink pen is kind of like my favorite thing right now, as far as taking notes down, getting myself together, and being organized. I put little positive affirmations. I put quotes. I might jot down appointments and stuff like that, and I stick them to my calendar. I stick them to my mirror. I mean, this is something that I'm into right now, and I love this lilac one. I've been using the hot pink and the lilac lately. I love post-it notes by 3M. So that's just a little simple tip I have for stylish living. Remember, again, the more important reminder, always keep a pen in your purse, especially a really pretty one. Look how it sparkles. I want to catch that on the light before it goes away. Wait, I had it before. There it goes. Oh, see? There it goes. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.